In this tutorial, I will show you how to set a directory password for your WHMCS admin area. This will require a username and password to access the WHMCS login page. So in order for someone to access your WHMCS admin area, they will need to know two sets of usernames and passwords. This is a good second layer of protection for your WHMCS and very quick and easy to enable. Before following this tutorial, it is very important that your WHMCS uses a custom admin directory, as it is far superior in terms of security having a custom admin directory rather than the default admin directory and two logins. If your installation is still using the admin directory, I recommend changing it following our guide in the description before moving on to this video. For the sake of this tutorial, we will use cPanel, as it has an easy tool for directory protection. However, you could achieve the same result by using htaccess. This tool is effectively creating a .htaccess file for us. Head to cPanel and find the directory privacy page. Navigate to your admin directory of WHMCS. Note that we are using the default admin directory as this is a development install. Click on the edit button next to your admin directory. Enable password protection and then set a name. Click on the Go Back link. We now have the option to set a user. A user is a login consisting of a username and password which can be used to access the directory. In this case, our WHMCS admin directory. Let's go ahead and create a user and password. To check it's working, head to your WHMCS admin directory. You will now be prompted for the username and password you just created prior to the WHMCS admin login page loading. Enter the login you created in the previous step. You can then proceed to log into WHMCS using your usual login. Success! You now have an extra layer of security enabled for your WHMCS admin area. This video is brought to you by WHMCS. At WHMCS, we have been providing premium WHMCS themes and configuration services since 2009. You can view our full range of themes and services in the description below. Save 10% on your next order using the coupon code YouTube. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to ensure that you are notified of new videos.